video, I will show you some of the basic knowledge that you need to know before you start using the uh, calculator 570EX, okay, EX calculator. So the on button and to switch on, okay, and then shift AC to switch off lah. So the button that designed for the calculator is lower. It's because they don't want the student to press on to clear their memory. Okay, after you do some calculation, okay, you want to clear it, you press AC. You don't press on because after you press AC, you can press up to find back. Okay, they have the memory. But if you press on, then they clear the memory already. Okay, so we use AC instead of on. Okay, on is just to on your calculator only. Okay, so uh, key marking. Okay, so key marking, we can see that in the calculator they have different color: chocolate, pink, blue, and purple. So like this button, sign button, you can see the uh, arc sign D. Okay, this one, okay, the yellow color means that after you press shift, you can call the function with the yellow color. Okay, shift sign. The red color, you press alpha, then control alpha, then continue with this button, then they will call the pink color one, the red color one. And the purple color, okay, so this one is purple color, is for complex mode. Okay, complex mode. So complex mode. Okay, so you change the mode to complex number. Okay, then this one, okay, the purple color is for complex number. Then we can use okay, only this I only. Okay, and if we want to use the one with blue color, okay, you press mode, okay, and go to the base and number base. Okay, then you can change this is base 10, base 2, base 8, base 16. Okay, then the A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, in the base 16. Okay, reading the display. So when we want to read the display, so the first line here is the input expression. Then the second line here is the calculation result. And then the third part, this part is the indicator. Okay, indicator, okay, D, R, D for degree, R for radian. So normally we will have in degree lah, D. Okay, and the meaning for all these indicator is shown here. Okay, in this table. So the S means that you press shift already, then they come out with S. Then you can continue to call the function in yellow. Alpha, that means you press A already. Press this A means that you press alpha already. Then you can call the function. Okay. Then the D for degree, R for radian, G for gradient. So degree is the one that we normally use. Radians, mx from 5 chapter 1, we use this one, and gradient we uh, didn't use for the SVM syllabus. Okay, fix, fix, uh, and the SCI and M for memory. This one we can ignore. Okay, and this one is the max input output. Okay, so normally we will use max input output lah. So we don't change the input output here. Okay, we want to get used to the input output because we want the natural display for the uh, EX calculator. So the calculation mode. So we press the menu here, then we can change the calculation mode. So if your calculator become strange, you just press one. Okay, go to the calculate. Okay, that is the basic calculation. Okay, and then this one. Okay, so general calculation is the first one. This is the complex number calculation we use at form 6 lah. I, imaginary number. So number base n. So from 4 chapter 2, okay, syllabus for KSSM. Matrix calculation from 5 chapter 2, and vector I seldom use vector, okay. And then we have the statistic, okay, distribution, spreadsheet, table, generate table based on one or two function, equation. So the quadratic equation, simultaneous equation we can use here, and the inequality, okay. This is ratio, okay, ratio. So we have the input and output format, we can just ignore, okay. So this one is natural display, okay. So we have the max input output, okay. So let's say you have 0.5 and you want the result come out in decimal, you just press SD lah. So you don't change the mode, okay. So if we have the sin 60, it come out a fraction, okay, with cert, you can just press SD to change the decimals if you want decimals. So don't change the input output, okay. So max input output. So the configuration for calculator, normally I don't suggest student to change it, but there is one thing that I will ask them to change is the norm, okay. Change to norm 2. By default the calculator is norm 1, we change to norm 2, okay. So we press the shift menu setup, number 3 number format, and number 3 norm, and 2 norm 2, okay. So the difference between norm 1 and norm 2 is, if I have a decimals, okay, in norm 2 it come out the decimals, but if I set up, okay, I go back to the number format norm 1, okay, it come out in the scientific notation. But for one student, they don't know the scientific notation until they learn it in form 3 chapter 2. So we just change it to this, okay. No, we just change it, shift menu format norm 2, okay. So that this number, okay, they will come out in decimals, okay. So that's all for the brief introduction for the EX calculator.